Whether you travel frequently for business or are planning a family getaway, FastPark makes airport parking an easy, relaxing experience. Here's how it works. When you arrive at FastPark, you're greeted with a smile and directed to your parking space in our clean, well-lit lots. Our roomy, climate-controlled shuttle will pick you up at your car, where our drivers quickly load your luggage and get you to the terminal fast. After your return flight, make your way to the FastPark pickup area outside of baggage claim, where a FastPark driver will be waiting to take you directly to your car. You don't even have to remember where you parked. Just hand them your location card. Our drivers are happy to help you with flat tires, battery jumps, snow removal, and more, so you won't have to worry if anything went wrong while you were away. Exit using our attended or express lanes. FastPark makes your travel experience easy and relaxing, with amenities including covered parking, fast charge electric vehicle charging, and corporate travel programs. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when Mother Nature doesn't cooperate. Plus, when you become a Relax for Rewards member, you'll earn points towards free parking, take advantage of mobile rewards, and more. Want to make it even easier? Make a reservation before you go on fastpark.com, making sure parking is a breeze no matter how busy the travel day. Who knew airport parking could be so relaxing? FastPark, your travel partner.